even got a rooster that sings. But I just need one more thing. I'm gonna buy me a goat. I'm gonna grow green grass to feed it. I'm gonna build me a little white pen fenced in so the kids can see it. Yeah, he's just what I need. Cause who don't like milk and cheese? So I'm gonna go buy me a goat and a rope and a tank full of water. Plump them all up, send them off to the slaughter. Now the kids are sad, but I know how to fix that. I'm gonna buy another goat. I'm gonna grow green grass to feed it. I'm gonna build